Multilit's quick and simple-to-use assessment and monitoring tools help identify low-progress readers and students needing additional support. Educators can plan interventions early and monitor students as they progress. These tools are included with some Multilit literacy program kits, but all are available for individual purchase. The Weldle Sentence Comprehension Screener is a new test designed to identify young children who may require targeted language comprehension support. The Weldle Assessment of Reading Non-Words measures phonological recoding, fluency, and accuracy. The Weldle Assessment of Reading Lists is designed to identify younger, low-progress readers and monitor reading progress. For older low-progress readers, including those in high school years, there's the Weldle Assessment of Reading Passages. To assess and intervene early, find out more at multilit.com/programs.